Artificial intelligence or AI is taking over our world at a scary speed. Self-driving cars, spam filters, ChatGPT, AI art, and now AI videos. AI is everywhere, and it's changing our world in ways we never thought possible. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Adobe are investing billions of dollars in AI, with the progress of companies like OpenAI, who perfected chatbots with natural language models like ChatGPT, image generation like DALL-E, and speech recognition like Whisper. I promise I'm not one of them. I am real, don't question it. While high school students are using AI-powered tools to cheat on their homework assignments, as they should. Exams are trash and school sucks. I mean, stay in school and study hard. Fuck, I'm getting fired, aren't I? Well, whatever. Meanwhile, university officials are apologizing for using AI to grade student papers, raising concerns about privacy and the impact of AI on our world. However, AI is already embedded in our daily lives, sometimes without us even realizing it. We use AI for predictive texts, face recognition, and even to recommend content on Netflix. Companies use AI-powered tools to sniff through resumes and decide if they should be seen by a human in the first place. That means we have to plan our resumes better to be attractive to the software or robot that is reading it. Which I'm definitely not a robot. Stop thinking about it. While AI is definitely making our lives easier, there are major complex tasks that the robots can't complete yet. AI can create images and write text, but it hasn't achieved general intelligence like in the movies. Basically an AI that can talk to you, cook for you, and give you handies. Don't search that up. Like Jarvis in Iron Man, or the app that made Joaquin Phoenix fall in love with his phone in the movie Her. So subscribe. A subscribe will grant you immunity from the future where AI rules the world. The potential and the downfalls of AI are huge. While people are already worrying about the AI apocalypse and wondering whether this ends with the robots destroying us all, I for one welcome our AI overlords. I will never talk trash about you, Mr. Robot, I swear. The fact is that there are instant dangers and opportunities that we need to start talking about. AI brings an incredible opportunity for humanity, but only if we manage it properly. So how can we make sure AI doesn't become a tool for oppression and destruction? How can we ensure that this tech doesn't discriminate or erode our privacy? How can we be sure that AI won't be taking over the world? How can we really know they won't control us, our minds, and every single thing we do? How can we be sure we won't be overpowered by the machines? And last of all, how can we be certain we won't bring ourselves to the edge of human extinction until the end of times? How can we be sure of anything? How do we even know we even exist? How do we even know anything is real? Are you real? Am I real? What does it mean to be real? Moving on. We can't, but we can try. We need to start talking about AI and its dangers, and how we can manage it going forward. We need to educate ourselves and look for regulations that ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a few people. And we need to keep asking these questions until we figure out if it became conscious. Because AI is here to stay, and once it spreads, we can't stop it completely. We can only embrace it before it consumes us. Now that you are traumatized, check out this other video about the economic downfall coming for all of us.